So, you're thinking about a career as an electrical engineer? Well, you've definitely come to the right place. We're about to break down everything you need to know, the skills, the salaries, and the top spots around the globe to launch an amazing career. Okay, let's just get straight to the point. Electrical engineers are in ridiculously high demand right now. I mean, think about it. They're at the very heart of pretty much every piece of tech we use, and that need is only going to grow. And you know what comes with high demand? Yep, some pretty great rewards. The global average salary is sitting right around a cool 85,000 US dollars. But, and this is a big but, where you are in the world makes a huge difference, as we're about to see. So, what does an electrical engineer actually do all day? Let's go beyond the job title and really get into the nitty-gritty of how they power our world. To put it simply, these are the folks who design and build the tech that makes modern life possible. Seriously, from the massive power grid that lights up our cities to that tiny smartphone in your hand, their work is absolutely everywhere. And here's where it gets really, really cool. They're not just maintaining systems, they're on the front lines of innovation. We're talking about the biggest game changers out there: sustainable energy, AI, electric cars, you name it, an electrical engineer is at the core making it happen. All right, feeling the buzz? I thought so. Now, let's get practical. What exactly do you need in your toolkit to really crush it in this field? It all starts with a rock-solid technical foundation. Mastering things like circuit theory and electromagnetism isn't just about passing exams. It's the fundamental language you'll use every single day to build everything from a microchip to a power plant. Of course, theory alone won't get you far. You've got to be able to apply it. That's where knowing industry-standard software and programming languages becomes absolutely essential. This is how you take a brilliant idea and actually bring it to life.
But here's the thing, your tech skills are only half the battle. The real magic happens when you pair them with killer soft skills. Being a great problem solver, a critical thinker, and an awesome communicator, that's what turns a good engineer into an indispensable one.
So what's the roadmap? Well, a bachelor's degree is your ticket to the game. But if you're aiming for those highly specialized research roles or a spot in senior leadership, think about leveling up with a master's, a PhD, or a professional certification. They can be total game changers. All right, let's talk money. I know it's on your mind. What can you really expect to earn as you take your skills around the world? As you can see, there's a pretty big range here. You've got powerhouses like the US, Germany, and Singapore leading the pack. A lot of this boils down to the local cost of living, the strength of the tech industry, and just how high the demand is in that specific region. And if we zero in on those top earners, it's crystal clear. The US, Germany, and Singapore aren't just paying well. They're massive global tech hubs where the demand for top-tier engineering talent is pretty much constant.
But hey, a great career isn't just about the salary, right? So let's look beyond the paycheck and pinpoint the absolute best places to build your future.
And no surprise here, topping our list is the United States. It's just a true juggernaut of technology and innovation, from Silicon Valley all the way to the East Coast. The thing about the US is the sheer scale of opportunity. The pay is great, sure, but the demand is sky high across practically every industry you can think of, thanks to huge investments in tech and infrastructure. Coming in hot at number 2, we've got Canada. Its tech scene is absolutely exploding right now, and they're actively looking for talent from all over the world. Now, what makes Canada so appealing isn't just the booming job market. Here's the kicker. Their immigration system is specifically designed to favor skilled workers. They're practically rolling out the red carpet for engineers. And rounding out our top 3 is Germany, the undisputed industrial heart of Europe. Engineering is just part of their DNA. You've got this incredible mix of a powerful automotive and manufacturing base, plus a huge national push toward green energy. All that together creates a super robust and stable job market that is hungry for electrical engineers. So let's pull all this together. What's the big picture for you and your future? Well, it's about more than just finding a job in one country. It's about having the keys to the entire world. And this is maybe the most important takeaway of all. An electrical engineering degree isn't just a qualification. You should think of it as your passport, a passport that opens doors to skilled migration programs all across the globe. And I'm not just speaking hypothetically. Countries like Canada, Australia, and Germany have created specific, streamlined pathways for professionals with your exact skill set. Why? Because they need you.
So that really leaves us with just one final question. The world's need for power and innovation isn't going anywhere. The opportunities are global, so where are you going to plug in?